Hey guys, it's Danielle with Danielle Gets It Done, and this is my pregnancy update for week 26.
Gonna love you, honey, on and on and on. I'm a morning dove singing out a song.
Baby is the size of kale. I love kale. Oh, okay. Eyelashes are growing or forming, and the eyes will start opening soon, which is really cool. They can already sense light through their closed eyelids, but soon they'll start opening and shutting their eyes, which is really cool. I think my baby has been like sideways or head up most of the pregnancy, which isn't abnormal or anything. I think around 26 to 30 weeks, a lot of babies will move vertically and hopefully head down and settle head down. I definitely think my baby is still head up most of the time because everything I'm feeling is really low, but I have felt high kicks for the first time this week. However, I think it kind of just is head down for a little bit and then we'll switch back to feet down or butt down. But I guess it's good that it's kind of testing it out. We would love it to be head down eventually. So this was a crazy week just in my personal life. I mentioned last week that my Mimi died, my grandmother, last week, and then this week was Thanksgiving, and because of that the funeral wasn't until after Thanksgiving. So this week was, two Thanksgiving celebrations with both of our families. It was my son's birthday, and so we had 2 birthday parties for him, which was great. And because he is my only child, just having those memories of his birth was especially special this year since I am pregnant with my second. So that was fun. And then we had, of course, the wake and funeral. So a really busy week. It was all good and all with family, but I am the type of person who, even when I'm not pregnant, just freaks out when I'm too busy. I am the person who definitely needs a lot of breaks to be by myself. That's how I refill. I'm a pretty strong introvert. And so by the end of my Mimi's funeral, which was kind of the end of this week, I was just done. And I have been going to bed at 7 o'clock. I am so tired that I am getting emotional about it. Like, I've cried a couple times just because I'm so tired. So it was a really good week. I love Thanksgiving. I love my family. I loved being able to properly say goodbye to my Mimi. The funeral was amazing. It was, cry right now. It was so good. My mom and sister sang. I was an honorary pallbearer. The boy cousins were her pallbearers, and then us girls, there are only 4 girls, got to walk behind the coffin, which was really emotional and really special. And my Mimi was really big into Christmas, and she needle pointed all of us Christmas stockings, and they're meticulous. Like, she could only do 2 a year because they took that long. And so now that it's officially the Christmas season, we have our needlepoint stockings out, and I have a couple needlepoint Santas framed on the walls. So it's just fun to kind of have her around us, I guess. But I am tired. I am tired, and I've been throwing up, I would say, a little bit more this week. I think just emotionally I'm done, and my body's kind of feeling me. So I'm hoping next week is better because, this next week is a little slower. This time of year is just hard for me in general. The holidays are hard. I love my family. We get along with everyone. It's nothing dramatic, but I just get tired when there are so many plans, and there are so many fun plans during the holidays. So it's not like I'm complaining. It's just hard to fit in those times of self-care for myself, which I really need. I just need a half an hour in a room by myself to really recharge and to be able to rejoin the group and to give my energy better. I think this definitely has shown me that I'm gonna need to kind of strategize for Christmas a little bit better and to give myself some more breaks and grace during this pregnancy. So I think I'll keep it at that. I'll show you my bump. $26. Yeah. Also, I've been getting quite a few comments lately about how I look much farther along than 26 weeks. I have to say, it's a little irritating. I don't know why. I don't know. I'm trying to not take it personally. I mean, it is what it is, and I love my bump, so no, I'm not due in December. March. I'm due in March. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and whatever your plans are, I hope you get them done. Bye, guys.
Ooh.